For a single crochet, you're going to do as many chains as you want. It's 1 chain per stitch and then 1 turning chain. To chain, you just yarn over and pull that through your loop. And you keep doing that across. Those are your front and your back bump. So your front bumps and your back bumps. Keep doing that as many times as you want. I'm doing 10 here plus 1 turn chain, so 11 total chains. When you're done, it's going to look like this. To start your single crochet, you're going to insert your hook into the second chain from your loop. So that's your first and your second. So just take your hook, shove it through that second loop or chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. To do a second one, you're just going to insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Keep doing that across. When you get to the end, it's going to look like this. Now the reason why I do the back bump is because you can see those V's on the bottom and on the top, so it just makes a nice clean swatch. Totally optional. Now to go to the next row, you're going to do 1 chain, your turning chain, and then turn your work. I turn it like a page of a book. To do your next stitch, you're just going to insert your hook into your first stitch. Make sure you skip your chain and go into the first stitch and do your single crochet. Then go straight into the next one and do that across. I'm going to do a total of 10 rows here, and it looks like this. Some tips and tricks to make your single crochet have a nice smooth line like the red and not bumpy like the white. You're going to, starting on the 3rd row, instead of inserting your hook into both of the V stitches like this, you're only going to go into the front one and then into that side little nub guy. So the front and then the side little nub guy. It's a little finicky, but it's worth it. Then yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and keep going. Depending on how you want to do it, there's different ways. We're going to have tutorials on the front loop and back loop single crochets, so check them out.